My name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka GP Maorange. Welcome to the podcast. Welcome to 2025, brand new year. Thank you very much for the past years for supporting the podcast, for subscribing, for commenting, for liking, for giving us some advice how to improve, what to do. We've pulled up our socks. As you can see, we've managed to raise the flag high and upgrade the podcast. Thank you to South Africans. Thank you to the world. Because I've had our podcast reach overseas as well. Thank you to everybody. Without wasting any time, let me welcome the gentleman over there. Over here. Yeah, my cheetah.
Yeah, man.
Shapuzet.
Oh, no stress, Mr. GP Orange.
Yeah, I think if I'm not mistaken, have you participated in Crazy Entertainers?
Yeah.
You are one of them?
Yeah.
Tapitori.
It's a social.
Yeah, remember there was another punchline there, mind your own poverty, because how not spar. Yeah, no, I see. Yeah, okay, my brother, no problem. What's your name?
Nali gamalaga liuzo laga ke na Happy Patrick Mailula. Oyazeka ngegama lika character ka Senzeni.
Senzeni.
The man from the hood, man.
Man from the hood.
Indoda ye underway.
Yeah.
Underwear man.
Yeah, ngiyabona keep up on my underwear.
Yes, sir.
No, you're welcome with your craft, my brother. We don't have any problem.
Ow.
So, busy ka yini no?
No, I'm really busy. Kamo Jabu acha kamoro chofara le acha left and right.
How did you meet Jabu?
Hey, Brajabu thakani go midren de daily gigi ngwe re bitse ke a utshwere ba re ke obakeng wa mopedi. So tlamola Brajabu ana le modiri le pastor emo khale go nyaka mo ke ba swere ka moka maro shota jogi.
Yeah.
So I want this underwear on my team cause it's a team.
What's your responsibility in the team?
No actor para jogi.
Yeah.
Then no entertain. You are responsibility. No actor but to bad say what team.
Or you working together, you promoting Jabu Archer?
Yes, sir.
Because I can even see the overall. Okay, but it's a Majwang Archer.
It's a bela bile gudle ero sebe gudle Brajabu ke na brand ambassador ya Jabu Archer. Gudle re ya some boats
Yeah, brand ambassador. Ya Jabu Archer.
Yes, sir. So
okay, how do you feel Ospanalena?
Gudlo monate. Gudlo o ka re ke bereka le out ya ka straight motho a bele go ke mma.
Yeah.
Gudlo o ka a ke na ke na utu go hire ke nna lo mo one latela ba re ke Freddy nna ke nna Happy yona ke na brother so since ke mitla Brajabu ke mitila abudi.
So Luna, you started at the taxi rank doing the comedy. O ile wa nagana gore ka o etsa comedy ko renkeng ko Pretoria e tla o fitlisa mo leveleng ya gore yanong o kopana le bo ma Orange le bo Jabu.
Next Ola net ba re net ya nyake a ke handle ladies and gentlemen since enu tumile ka maka mara today ka re ke na le Mr GP Maorange ke bolla net ngondo e o nesting total ya re one day re tla bona re ra di advert nyana tsa TVs ka re na lo Mr Maorange bo
Yeah.
there is a judge you know I think ka thato ya mdimo okay these guys ba lwele e re ke ba phutse cause rena no ba ntho re ra dlala re tshisa batho ba latlhela disente re kgone kera re ya sekolong so only to find out to atlhela Jona shoota video le la mathomo go square ya bone crackers o damana rekisa stock out re fa di cheching ya re tshwara re he kaneng ke na le Capitec ya feta Capitec ra go ro itlaleletse ra ira le diamond ra bona ro khemere go muzona le bophelo ka mohara so le gogo aka mamma ka nambotso umsebenzi lo thathe serious into umsebenzi lo unikeza uNkulunkulu so ungadlali ngalo msebenzi sente enye nenye wethola lapha yana uthandaza ubonge ho ari uthandaza uzobona uzophila ayizivara
so koskela no lingwana jwa and what was your dream when you were at school
koskela de lo ko akuyabona maka tshwaka desa bereki next cause ko class ya ne utlwella ke bolela mara otherwise ne re letsela tsa go sokodisa go sekolong tsela tsa dijoke ba itse go sekolong na le go mongwa stoute rena ba o tshisa nna no rwela go bana ba o tshisa bana ka break ba no utlwa una le batho ba tsaya ba ao ke happy le pastor le modiri tlharentse re le bo botle so wa koskela wa ise ke chofile ka fela go grade 11 bethile
grade 11
impethile grade 10 Mr. GB between 3 times
no the artist vele di fella da ke was standard 9 it was standard 8 so how the artist na ling matric no you are not a proper artist tshwanetse o felle mo grade 11
tshwanetse be le failing yana
tshwanetse o fail
I betile ana ke la ma ke betile grade 10 go Elizabeth Watsman first year ko karake well times 2 year ko ke na le pastor le modiri na go ra bona la history ya ko ka next aksabwe kara next ba fitu sgela no mo ka nna go tlasa setlhare go hae ke dunola suite ka January go tla ka ntwane go e feta senzo o ntse mo ga po pasitse go bona go listing ya ma grade 11 re ari serious a somar ga go setlhago polish o re ya tsaya
so how na gana fela ka system ya education ya country ya rona ngwana o tshwana le wena gore o passe ha o nagana no tshwantse ke gwetsagetseng ko sekolong
ke nna re gore ke passe da mo ka ga bona le ngwana o tshwana le nna gore a passe da hona le nako ya o dlala na le nako e serious so nna da ho tsene ke palla go di fapantsha nako ya o dlala le serious mo nna ne le ntwe wa so ana mane wa menere na mpotsa teacher o mongare Patrick le ko sekolong motla ke Patrick kunesikhathi sokudlala kunesikhathi sokuba serious akube serious mo serious ubone ukuthi hayi namhlanje ukhoba o serious namhlanje wena manje njalo into yenye yokudlala uzoyikhumbula lesikhathi lesuku esikolweni wande uhleli uzokhumbula ngiyosha ngamamela Raymond ngafunda ngaba no matric so angidlalile too much ufuna ukukhuluma mangene omunye umntwana ngane ngathi kunesikhathi serious kunesikhathi esokudlala nesikhathi sokungadlali so otherwise serious vele uyabona eclassini ziyabuye teacher iyafundisa lapho iba serious lalela ngoba le information leyo kusasa uyoyidinga ngoba nami namhlanje angina matric ngiyayidinga ukuthi ngibe kade ngasindaba ze acting phethe matric bengaba imetro bengaba iphoyisa bengayenza something manje ku matric awukho ngayenzani ngihlala phansi ngabheka ukuthi yini into engayenza into engaphakathi kimi yathi ungakhohlwa phela wona yagula yahlala thatha lo mhlanya bakho lo uhlala namajida bakho lawa nesquare unotutsa ukuthi kuzenzakalani sangena esquare sashaba lahlela amasende abantu bathawa into le izolisa kude thathe serious kuphi silozidala abantu batha baba hafa bayengi namantombozana uya ke eminyaka emshimana barajoki semabeli namhlanje akuseseyileyo sebasifuna eduze abanye labesigela bekathi badla amaplate serious okunye thina besenzisa nokukhera ngoba edladlini bekade ingakhiri so bengithatha imali yokhera from Mosfefum Square ngikwazi ukukhera from Monday until maybe ma Thursday Wednesday Friday Saturday payleave
that then beniyenza during school seasons
besenza from Friday
Friday Saturday
besiya Church Square so
Church Square no performer and then Monday back to school.
Monday is really school.
Then that money provide yourself ukera nje sifana le
thengene insipho zogeza lapha at least umarolo ononyana
cosmetics.
So yona besinceda lapho nalapho besingazi aware ukuthi ngaba isipane esingafika la size sihlangane nani sinibona kuyizo lapha kubeka indoliso abelena ke mpyaje wena ke betje kuthwala leyo umkhuluma mongaba serious wena kahle ngemvelo wena kahle maybe kumele uye lapha ngoba uyakhuluma ukhuluma khona uyakhuluma yipi masiluku siyeza naye before shona washo wathi ufikile sikhupha ivolume 1 athi ngakutshela ngathi umsebenzi wakho lo uzokhipha iTV wathi uthathe serious uthandaze ubonge uthathe serious uNkulunkulu uphela wena usumuntu ongavuka ekseni uthi ugijimela efemini yosebenza kumele kube uwenza iplan lo isinkwa sakho lezi so make sure ukuthi lesinkwa lesiyasebenzisa ngoba mawudlala ngazo uNkulunkulu uzoyithatha le talent yakho ayike komunye umuntu.
Kuthi wena ube nabazali abasupportive who support underestimatanga bakuthatha ngokuthi you are crazy so bakuthatha serious ukuthi nawe uyithathe serious lento but izobeka isinkwa etafuleni which is the truth.
Yes sir.
Unlike most of the parents thola ukuthi they forced their kids to become something that they are not born to be.
Wenza into angayifuni ngoba sekajabulisa abazali.
And then along the way kuba ne problem. So ama-gig wathola kanjani? How do you get gigs to generate income?
Ama-gig before uhlangana noBrajabu bekathi ngithi mangingenile eventini bengamind ukunika i-crowd ama-number wabo ngise-stage ngikhipha ama-number nje ngomlomo ukuthi number otsasenzeni umnyaka kodwa iphathi nkomanyaka ngohle ayishidi ngiwabizela ama-number lawana abanye baze bafone same time ngibambile la ngithi naye manje ngabona ukuthi lento lizongisebenzela mara ngeke ngisebenzele ngoba abanye bakufona bakuziphi dayini yabona baza umukwera umukwera wathi baboneke nandi number za GP ma orange mun ngakuma 3 badakiwe awunemaka irike mufune lokho lezo sikhathi wena ulele
when you expect business yena ufona nje for pleasure
uzwisa abangane labanawo namantombazana ukuthi namanamba umuntu so ngamfonela ibamba namuzo wenze la speaker makafona Varo senzini senzini sure abeke nalabathu momfethu kuyababotshura kuyawutseba bona batsepura kuyawutseba
Try to confirm gore yake nna
khopela ori man ngamatsa ngitayela ke robezi jofu una vuru lo sokodisi
You from Soshanguve?
Soshanguve
Jule ngoba kuse Jule
uyayazi Jule wake wazwela nyana
mina ngazi crossini majiji bengiyokuya e-radio station yase Sosha Navcok Soshanguve nedlanje
manje mawusemajiji imikhukhu nayo amabheka ngamazwe ijule
ijule mawudlula lamajiji nayi mall ngapha ne kune mall or complex yana la
complex yabathu plaza ijule nje
that's Jugule so how's Sosha for you baba ngathi khuluma ngeSosha iSosha indawo enjani
Sosha ziyabuya Sosha kumnandi ngane ngathi yafana namakayisi amanye netori zamastoutere netori zabantu abayizitwe eziright but iSosha yona ukhuluma ivari ayiSosha imnandi elikwele ngetalent and manje noma ngithi ngiyacheka iSosha no italent noliphelele ebhodlelweni liphelele edragini
abafifi khupha baphuma ngale
ufifi khupha ngizwa ngathi bathi uphume North West and ngathi ujola yona leSosha ngizwa ngathi bathi ujola khona leSosha
abo focalistic abokhupha abomaporisa
no the lady somebody
abo somebody
Warren Masemula Black Motion yawumenda ngisumolo baphuma lapha yana nami
now we are
nami yazifaka nami uye Soshanguve no cat waseskim sami nayo khona ema-H's in the hood man no futhi
yapusha iSosha
iphethe yazaphatha noFan Damme.
Van Damme.
Van Damme straight Van Damme stretch.
Yeah.
Ukhona le.
Ukhona le.
Uhlala extension.
Yeah. So umedem wakho ukuthatha kanjani ngecareer yakho?
Hayi yena uyithatha serious indaba yesipani noma etokunyelana yena. Kahle ngesipani sami ngani ngathi uyangisupport, supportive ngendlela lelo ukuthi uhluleka nokuya nami emagigi nakambi nami emagigi.
Akakuthayile.
Nawo.
Athi laba maphuma ufuna ukuhamba nawe waya.
Ibamba to bamba.
Bamba to bamba.
Awungena khona babone ngayo ukuthi umuntu unalemsadi.
Yeah.
Funa babone ngayo ukuthi hayi senzini unalemuntu. Manje lo sale ngihamba naye kayi-1 ngaqwalelana abantu namantombazana uyabona amantombazana amavana nomedema banoku-actor snacks manje uzama lo moto lena naro advertise banokuhaka ngesitayile nyani qwala manje sekamele lapha yana umedema mina ngilana ne-crowd bathatha amafoto umntwana abantu uhlela yi-1 ayina stress uzuhlala naye manje nasukudala wathi asikhuluma iqiniso happy le line yakho le mina ngingani la ngoba mase emsebenzini wona isikhathi sami umela lena and yena kana stress so is best
ngibe ngoba vele unike nabantu isikhathi sabo. People want to enjoy being with you naye ufuna attention lapha kuba i-problem.
So kina diet mina ngihlala endlini wena moye egigini emsebenzini umfazi onjalo uya nendoda emsebenzini. So ngane uhamba emsebenzini mina ngizoziblomela naye vela kusumuntu ukuthi umuntu westrata nabangani uhleli nje nosibusiso nokudla abantwana bethu.
Wona abantwana
sinama child abuser ethu. Two child abusers.
Ngiyathuma ukuthi nakhe ngempela mos angidlali.
Singenelele ngibabhekile abantu bathi usenzeni wa budget. Budget movie life. There's no budget, man.
Yeah.
You're creating.
So future plans.
Yeah.
Or before that, aside of doing comedy, street comedy,
yes,
yinye into oyenzayo maybe othanda ukuthi abantu bazi ngayo.
Into engiyenzayo ukuthi nebangifuna ngithanda gijima nobraja phakathi kwesitolo bayangithola esitolo eJabu Ashanhleli.
Okay.
Uthathe nama customer ubuye la labantu bangene bangisenzele ndisaka ke gadile mu ngigada umnyawo. Then after lapha from lapho ezinye ngizenza nje ukwenza braja bukinge ngokira ngandlela endweni. Brand ambassador ke muleji.
Branch amanye branch.
Nabona bamfuna usenzo bangamfaka uyangena emabrandini amanye ndengishana ama-promo umuntu makapromote something uyangibisa senzele ishare uzosipromote into esona so siyayishaya last bekathi no lena Phoenix supermarket cash and carry besibesha podcast khona lapha noJabu Acha then ziya MC emagigi ema-party from a party yomntwana until iphathi yomuntu omdala osenzeni ungena konke ya MC nika nge-MC bayami-invite nje as a photo program kube ne-comedy nyana ngibashaya nyana bahleke nyana makeda bafaka namaring wabo then nani futhi MC yonke lo information nasesifeni namajoke ngiyawayenza esifeni khumbula kushaya ijoke ngabe Alex ngishaya ijoke ukuthi isidumbu sivuke ngishaya ijoke ngibona ibhokisi livuleka isidumbu saphuma
sibambe ngejoke eyi
enamajoke azamajoke awekho mara nginokutshela abantu le ngithanda ukuyishaya ebantwini ukuthi mangishaya ijoke ngithanda ukuyishaya ijoke ukuthi umuntu nomahlela ayi-1 ayicabanga mara kahle kathi nanomadlala amarules direct ayipoint ngitshela abantu ngithi dibhatshi elibisetshana morago kabophelo izolo ibisela nemva ngempilo makeda abantu bathi ngithi ithi why thingenza uzathi wena uyi-crowd mistake mina yimi wena uyi-community mangithi dibhatshi elibisetshana morago kabophelo wena uthi why angithi brajipi dibhatshi libisetsana morago kabophelo ere
why
sa mathomo ha o reka zolo zaka ya zolo o e beile mo morago o bontsha gore o boela morago wa bophelo before di o betha ere why lo tsena go Snyman o reka Zolo Snyman sa go bontsha gore Zolo o bisetsana moraga bophelo a ka se etse mo kitchen ya ntsha mo kitchening o ntsha kae
Ko morago.
ko morago wa ntlo o boetse morago ha 3 before you bed and then Snyman ha tla le Zolo ela a ka se ofiso brajibi era ba tla mo tshwara o fela kae
Morago.
o fela go morago wena wa itse ya patjela wa lokela kae go jining
Ko morago.
a
Yo
fetsa-
busetsa morago.
wena o boela morago go gae o boetse morago gae 8 before you wet wa fitlha go gae Mr GP ene o ka se fitlhe mola ko motseng ko hene wa tsuela patše mo pila le batse a kere bra GP tshwanetse o itsubele kae ba se ka o bona
Ko morago.
ko morago wa ntlo ga o ntse o tsuba mola ene patše ga o e tata Zolo ga o e tata o e tatela kae
Morago.
ko morago a fetsa wa ikgotlha ka le sticks ya o tlhoga go tlha ka le sticks o ra re o pinyelela tlhalwanye wa ipinyelela tlhalwanye wa ipinyelela wa fetsa ga o e fisa Zolo e fya e ya kae
Morago.
ko kae
Morago.
and then ga o sene o tsuba di o bethela ko kae
Ko morago.
ko morago wa ntlo bomakhi ba utlwa go nkga dizolo bane ba thoma ba re ya GP o lenkisetsa ka dipaje ka lesenzeni pile-pile re ba tshwarisa re bitsa maphodisa a tsena ba re kry-a re tsubela kae
Ko morago.
e be ba fitlha ba re ya GP lesenzeni community ya lela ka dipaje tsa lena tse re ya le tshwara e ba o tshwara matsogo ba o bofela kae bra GP
Ko morago vele.
ba o bofela ko morago ene go vene ba o nametsa kae go vene
Ko morago. Yo busetsa morago.
a ona roka ya bopele ka Zolo wa tsena police station ba o charge ba se do charge wa ya kae go disaileng ko morago ko disaileng ba re ka di-7 o ya court ga o tlo seka ko court o tla o le kae
Ko morago.
wa seka ba re you are guilty wa boela kae
Morago.
wa tsena traka e gima ya mapantiti Mr GP maorengele ga e tsena traka ela mapantiti a tsena kae ko trakeng
Morago.
ko morago ba tsena ko new loco ga ba tsena ko new loco o kry manyora ba nna ba betha di-life sentence monna be nna leng life sentence 15 years a sa ye mo a sa heavy a thoma o tsena rena bo sentsene ba dijoki tsa go pakanyana o bona polase ke pakile jana ba tsena mola bontate ba le ba mapantiti ba bona sentsene ka lerabananyana le legolo e be mapantiti a o lebelela kae o
Morago.
lebelela ko morago ena fetsa ga banyane o heta ba bone ba re sentse di sepakile ena ba nano e tsentsha bo e tsentsha kae
Morago.
wa utlwa botlhoko ko kae
Ko morago.
a fetsa wa nnela kange
Ka morago.
Yeah.
Thank you, my brother. Yeah, you've made our day. Let's get into this serious business.
Yes.
Recently, we're facing a serious problem in our schools. Bana ba tlhabana. Mo Alexandra, there was a bloodshed
Ow.
in one of the high schools.
Yo.
There was gangsterism. Another gangster from another school came to another school, and then about Buchana. I think it was on social media. Bana ba tla ko sekolong ka dithunya.
Yo.
I met the police officers, ba bang banka dipili ba di beya mo fatshe ba popora bo mistress.
Yo, yo, yo.
So
Ko sekolong.
ko sekolong. That's our recent problem now
Yo.
within the youth. So how can you address that problem?
Eish. Re tabe e fele.
Yeah. E le wena ngwana o tswang sekolong kaofela re qala sekolong.
Eh.
Ha o le ngwana kaofela re le batho re feta sekolong before re tla ba bagolo.
Eish. Ai nna ka taba eo e tseng ka rata gore mara Mr GP gore a re ya tshosa gore ngwana o tena tshwara sethunya tsena go segela ka sethunya
And then mistress menere o tla rutisa jwang. Ke bone e nngwe ke mjita go tlhaba ngwanyana, so I think it's about 6 holes or 10 sure na mo tlhabela gore a shwe.
ko
Ba bang
sekolong
ba tshaba bana di menere di a tshaba. Yeah,
nthabela ko sekolong
ko sekolong ko tlaseng.
yo ra re o bila go sgela no sana o re tla re go safe ngwana go safe go sgela e futshune ya dibute so ra re so nna wa itse nga rata gore mara nga rata gore ke re a ke se ke re government or something ka re maybe mmusho how can say how be magata go digela
ne
ha ba kenye divene go digela o ka ba sgela se se sa ba le divene tse pedi or 4 officers ba seche bana ba tsena le batho wa bona because go di-gating bana ba tsena fela bo ntate ba le ba ma-security ke bomdala ba no tsha le bona ba ikira ditšhomi tsa bomdala kgang motho o rwele weapon so ba bona dilo tse sa itshunala gore ngwana o tlhabile o mongwe puso gore e tsene bjang theo sekolong go na le batho go gating so ke nana gore he o ka iriwa go plan ya gore o plantiwe divene because ke la se se le se se ene le bona bana ba sgela taba ya bullying a e bereki guys taba ya bullying a e bereki South Africa bullying a spine go digela bona o tlo enda go senyalelwa ke bophelo ba rona go sekolong o tlhabile motho wa ba le criminal record o sana ro ka spine ka taba ya rona o tletse pelo o rutlhaba no pelo le rena ra tla la dipelo mara re nang ntsha madi ya batho
a re balance so ke batla re understand both side of the story. Let's say before the guy a tlhaba ngwanyana ole because it's like a mosheba mfano ole ko screening is like a fat guy. Maybe ba mo kwara outi o to stola wena ke yona ke bullying yona ya ke batla re engage ganyane on bullying gore what is bullying because when we talk about bullying mutakana gana fela bullying ko kenya motho mo vice gripping ko pusha motho ganti it is influenced by different elements
straight
wena go ya ka wena bullying we tlhaloganya ha kana what is bullying to you
bullying for nna ke he ho bona motho mongwe a khawatea like maybe for example because ke la o thiengwe gore ngwana mongwe wa khawatea ditlhabo tsa ya di shabo malapa a lekane wena o gara motho la ka ditlhabo tsa hae hai bona tlhabo tsa hae yana tse bona tlhabo tsa ena le mimbo o hi wa tseo ke bullying type
is bullying
le motho ana le mmele nna re ke se dola re motho ana le mmele a ona right ya go botse motho lore a wena o na le mmele mo gime bono ka ranta to ka re eng direct ke bullying
is bullying
le motho le selenda ba re he wena o dilo ka re eng still ke bullying so motho na re mo tsore he wena o se dola eng a wa skima motho o le reng pila bono motho o ska mo jambisetsa gore o nya go mo tsore e jwa e post dola mo tse bile nda o nya gore sene re tseneng go exercise nyana go di ka se kwa re take this mo 4 round o nyana go relax o le na o motho sa ka style se se gore it is a full something because ka rona too much ka re hona o tsena o tsa malwetse
like being a comedian most of the comedy eke boning na some of them I call them insulters instead of funny people gona le bana ba bang tla ke re ona le tlhogo nkare ke a jomosono ke ba tlo etsa example a ke ba bua bese ngwanona o mogwara ka tlhogo ya gae. Do you think that's funny?
No.
Or omo ha gole
ko
mokhutswane o super short bese wena gore ngazongitshela ngale dwarf.
It's not funny because vele motho ko mokhutswane so he wa dintho we bolela sa le ka yo utla batho ba bolela le nka se mention mabitso ba sa le ka yo utla batho ba bantši ba complain ka yona gore o patela go bona show ya comedy the next thing how ke ni ka da o tsamale madam how ke ni ka da the performer o tsenela madam ka di weave tsa bona tse o se sa bolela ka mpholo re weave ela I sa le ba re ke o ibitsa ba re sa le week na go tse o khotla madam wa go mo kwa ra crowd ela wena sestere ebile ntho ya pereke a isa le wiki ke weekend batho ba tshela ke ba no re comedy kanti motho yena ya nna mo yena ka maharo re ba ke patetse show for this guy a tlo tsenela media le wena no vaka o sa le wela go ntlo le madam a le sa utlwana gore wa ntsha di-autoretswere go show ka fitlha ba the next thing batho ba ga ba tshegisa ka nna so dileng e o e bolelang sa le ka e utlwa gantši gore nna le batho ba bangwe a ba ere dijobu ba insulta batho go insulta motho o gwera motho ka nto le goreng o yona o mmotsa ka is bullying
re ka e bitsa gore ke special needs a gae or let's say ke disability ya gae
yes
o mongwe maybe ke ba na leng this part e kgolo mo lekoro
yeah
bese o re wena lekoro e tlamo
eish so mo tshwantsha le di-animals tse dingwe tse ka reng di na le lekoronyana go mo tshwantsha tsona ene mo arabana.
So I think ke tsona ntho tse influencer the consequences of bullying.
Eish
Motho a end up ba mo gwaza or go bolawa motho.
because ka mokgwa re ka mokgwa e bjang ka teng bullying o mpontsha another gore bullying is not all about re e etsega go sekela fela
Yeah.
ra le go rena go meberekong ya rena ya di-comedy show ya irala bullying
Yeah.
a comedian o gwera motho a lebeletseng show and o mtsheisisa ka batho that person le napela is bullying gore o joke ka motho mongwe wa ra batho a patetse o bona wena the next thing wa mo gwera.
According to you, what is comedy?
Comedy o ya ka nna ke reng
When they say you are funny, what is funny? What is to be funny?
to be funny wa tseba nkane ka re ke eng Mr. GP
Yeah.
o phela o
Is
tshehisa
to
batho.
entertain.
Yeah, to entertain batho ba phela ba tshega mo
Is
le mo teng
to
wa tshega.
entertain people in a level where they will find themselves laughing.
A tsheya ba tswe le dikeledi nna go bona motho a diabe yago ke a thaba ra re
Yeah, before I close and before I give you a last chance to speak,
yes sir.
whatever you want to say, maybe you have a message or your social media handles
Yes sir.
where you want to be found in terms of business and your future plans.
Yes sir.
This is what I want to say to the people. There's difference between comedy and insulting.
Yes sir.
Wabona na, according to me, people who have made comedy to me, I will give credit to Emzini Wezinsizwa,
Yeah.
Shefane,
Bovelaphi.
yeah, you know, people who don't talk about things that we do. I don't call that comedy, ukuthi yeah, wena mawurenji ungayishela kanjani cherry une voice ekhrofu so. I think you're running out of jokes.
Yeah, yaphelelwa.
Let's correct you, and then to avoid killing somebody to be angry.
Yeah.
E sa fitla ko leveleng ya gore ke yo motho se ba mo tlhaba.
Eish.
Don't insult a person based on his or her features.
Yes.
The way I look, maybe my feet are not equal. Maybe ke bendile so. Then bese o tlo re nna ke tšedile. I will feel bad and something bad is going to happen to you.
Kahle kahle.
So to be on a safety side, you must understand what is to make comedy
Yes.
and to provoke a person to make something bad to you.
Hey.
That's my advice, even to the kids at school.
Yes.
Ha gona le ngwana o kentseng setlhako se na leng mbobo le kous e na leng mazambane go a etsagala gore ba mo tlhobodisa ditlhako bese bana ba mo tshega. It's bullying.
Yes. Exactly.
Ngwana a na le melo mogolo but ye wena setodla, that's bullying.
Straight.
O mongwe matlho a gae ha straight.
O kra me ba le soanyana so.
Yeah. So ntho tse tshwanang le tseo.
Ke bullying.
That's
Wa
bullying.
tsa motho ka dilo tse ene
So
wa
we
itse.
need to be careful.
Yeah.
Then my brother, over to you now. Go for platform. O ka bua anything o batlang go e bua, anything that you want to say. And at the end, o sa lebala go botsa batho gore they must subscribe to Israel Matseke Zulu podcast.
Awa utlwagetše a botse fela Mr. GP. So otherwise mina into engathanda ukuyitshela man so ukuthi
Yeah.
guys asirespectaneni. Respect ke into engwe e golo blind. Bona lo bona mara this person go munyane nka meta. Bona tlhompha motho ba ka nna rutla ba re tlo o ipuleile ke tsotswana go la tlo. Yena motho mo nyatsang gore he ke mfana nka motlatsa. Mfana o tla o tlatsa kere. O tla go bontsha tse dingwe a diteng. So otherwise guys le go digela taba ya bullying as yona guys re tla go sigela for learning not fighting or for the gangster le taba tsa di gangster guys so ya ka nna bila a inspire Mr. Bona taba le ka re ke yona engwe ke khotlhakhotlang dinto tsa bafana ba go extension 1 ba utlwa le bafana ba go extension 7 mo ba tlhakanang go teng se ya khala those guys tshwantse ba tlhakane ka ofele be majita ba protect the community tsa bona ba protect le dimedi tsa kasi tsa bona le bomme ba bona le bana ba bona ora di mtswadi lantse so a itse ra wa bana ba kasi ya ka wana ke safe le nka re ke amletelo nga kwa ka 12 ko tlhakana le bana ba kasi ya ka ba shimanyana ba ntse go morlo ba re gadile kasi ha yo ba re gadile ba re tsele di ba gadi mphakathi so a try to build something se se bya go guys so re ka bana tsa di bullying o tlharetse re tlhabana ka dithipa alcohol drugs ba fetu di paje le go di paje di bisetsana morago ga bophela ke re paje fela le zo drug any drug ya khawati isenya spine then o shapa spine if what gives you now motho le a anything at or talented ka something ntho go le mo itshunang khunama every day through in the morning o le bohe modimo nkulunkulu nyabonga ongvusile nkulunkulu ngicela ukuthi ube nami namhlanje at least le talent le ngipusha ngila lenyenze something uyabona so enye futhi ukuthi guys let's fight until uthola lezi fight until uthola lezi Mr. Wetholile so hey Mr. GPI grade which means listen Zen it's coming man it's coming in the hood man
No, it's coming.
so and we vala futhi bona continue Mr. continue ngento yenzayo umsebenzi omubutsi umsebenzi odla phansi ngichisi legend today I'm happy ngithola award yakawe and one keep on subscribing keep on subscribe or subscribe by millionaire nataba keep on subscribing man wabona podcast ya lo Mr. GP na bolela before tomorrow hey akuli studio wale so for no tiles it's because of by subscribe by support so lampeli le nna ke agreela go di-partying di-pubong for comedy bookings wa agreela Senzeni and then di-party manyalo wampitsa
Go di Facebook.
Facebook ke nna Senzeni Mailula and then wa tsena pe on Facebook wa re Jabu Acha ke yona e managing Senzeni
Definitely.
as a brand ambassador ya Jabu Acha so everything management wa la ka business and stuff ya go Jabu Acha a shiji tsona di acha ja gona e go tla ba re malome GP we rata mbe wena e go tla ba ra usna acha o jikile go tsele
Yeah, no, I'm not. I did just not much of it. What's it about then?
taranga tla ka fitla ra ke sa tsara acha e ro
Ke ngwana Alexandra ke khotse ka acha.
yeah
Yeah, ba tseba di kasi ka ofela hore Alexandra acha ya jwa.
ke ha bo acha
Ke a bo acha.
so otherwise for the bookings then on social platforms on already at Jabu Acha Facebook Twitter TikTok at Jabu Acha le subscribe le go teng da so le like and then for the numbers tsa go buka kana ke 061 3355 195 this is getting
How do you pin the food?
061 3355 195 ke tsone di nomoro tseo tsa go buke Senzeni a tla tlo vakashetsa a tlo apara joke di boe so
Yeah.
nka yo swenka ka yona
Ah, ka vale. Ah, na mtata.
I thank you
Fela sa robega.
oh thank you very much
Yeah.
o ka re nna ke tsere ntho lwana tseya joke o tshwanetse ya ndao wena o ya nniga nyamonika Mr. GP Orange bye man
Hey, tada. Yeah, we out. We'll see you next time. Thanks for the day. Thanks to the Almighty. Asibonge.